In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your LinkedIn profile, potentially hitting 1,000 connections in 24 hours. While reaching that target in such a short time might be a bit of a stretch, with the right approach and consistent effort, you can undoubtedly see significant growth in your network over time. First, let's start by visiting linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. You have two options. You can sign in using your Google account, or you can input your email address and password directly. Keep in mind, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted to verify your login by entering a code sent to your device. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure, so be sure to have your phone handy. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your LinkedIn profile page. Now, let's discuss some strategies to grow your connections. Though it's unlikely to gain 1,000 connections in just one day, regularly engaging and nurturing relationships on LinkedIn will definitely expand your network significantly. A good starting point is optimizing your profile. Make sure it includes a professional photograph. This is the first impression you give to potential connections. Also, have a compelling headline that encapsulates your professional essence. Your summary should be detailed and showcase your unique skills and experiences. Adding this personal touch can increase profile views and connect requests from relevant individuals. When reaching out, try to personalize each connection request. Rather than sending generic messages, articulate why you wish to connect. Personal touches can significantly boost response rates. Initially, connect with people you already know, whether personally or professionally. From that secure base, you can progressively broaden your network. Sharing valuable content is another vital tactic. Posting insights and industry news on your page can attract engagement and foster new connections. Also, be proactive in interacting with others. Join conversations by commenting on posts from your network or within your industry. This not only builds visibility, but also establishes you as an active participant in your professional community. Stay informed by keeping up to date with industry trends and connecting with thought leaders in your field. This practice not only enhances your knowledge, but can also drive meaningful connections and collaborations. Finally, remember that consistent activity is key. Building a substantial LinkedIn network doesn't happen overnight, but by regularly engaging, optimizing your profile, and sharing valuable insights, you'll create a robust networking platform. Keep these principles in mind, and with dedication, you'll see significant growth in your LinkedIn connections over time. Thank you for tuning in today, and I wish you all the best on your LinkedIn journey.